Hi, I'm Iwi, CEO and co-founder of EasyMate. Now that your sales assistant is capturing leads, let's give them a home, your leads portal. It keeps every lead in one place and your sales assistant fills it in for you automatically. First, your pipeline, the journey from new lead to customer. EasyMate already mapped it out. Rename any stage to match how your business operates. Add new stages or leave them as is. Next, what to remember about each lead. The top section, name, email, phone, comes straight from your sales assistant. No retyping required. Check anything else you want to keep or add. For example, lead time zone. Then activity. Every call, email, and note is logged here, so you always know where you left off. Now, who uses it? Is it just you or you have a team? Just give each person the right access. Manager, sales rep, or only view only. And that's it. Your full pipeline on one dashboard. Every lead and opportunity at a glance. Click around and make sure everything feels right. Happy with it? Click launch, confirm, and it's live. Then copy your private link and share it with your team so everyone is on the same page. And remember, you're always in control. You can always come back to change anything, and nothing is permanent.